Hey guys, this is Daniel, and today we're working on our 2013 Dodge Journey, and I discovered a little puddle of oil, just a few drops on my garage floor. So there's definitely a leak going on somewhere. I'm hoping it's just a bolt. If not, we're doing the oil pan today. I already ordered the part just in case. I can always return it if we don't need it. And let's get started. After we finally got the pan off, we're gonna go ahead and degrease it, clean it, clean the mating surfaces of both the car as well as the pan, and then pop it back in. So let's get started. We want to dump all the garbage down here. We don't want to push it anywhere down the drain. this was a massive project. I don't think I'll be doing that one ever again. I would have paid $350 any day to get this done. I would have installed 4 shocks on the Mercedes just not to do this. So lesson learned, but at least we tackled it and we filled it up and it's running. And so far I don't see any leaks, but we'll see in maybe 500 or 1,000 miles if something develops. If not, it's going to the dealer for them to fix it. That being said, if you're brave enough, if you got the patience, go ahead and do it. With the oil, which was $28 I believe, and the gasket, which was another $30, I got an oil change and a gasket done at the same time for under 50 bucks, or under 60 bucks, I guess. But go ahead and leave me comments. Let me know if you've done an oil pan before. If you're brave enough to tackle one, let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe. Take care.